Think without ink. Think without ink. Think without ink approach. Think without ink approach in percentage based problems. Think without ink approach in percentage based problems. I'll start from the fundamentals. Think without ink based approach. Yesterday I told you a percentage is nothing but a by 100. A by 100 is a rational number, numerator by denominator. Numerator by denominator. Key point 1. Write down in the same order, sir. Key point 1. Key point 1. dr is denominator. If the denominator digital sum is, if the denominator digital sum is 3, 6 or 9, then it will result in recurring decimal. Please write down. Then it will result in recurring decimal. If the denominator digital sum is 3, 6 or 9, right? Or in simple language, this might also result in some confusion. If the denominator digital sum is 3, 6 or 9, digital sum cannot be used for division. I will explain it. Cannot be used for division. If I want to use digital sum for division, the first idea is denominator digital sum cannot be 3, 6 or 9. What is that? We will explain. Not a single doubt, you will get into the class. If the denominator digital sum is 3, 6 or 9, digital sum cannot be used for division. Many students will feel it very difficult to use digital sum. Now see here, numerator by denominator. Listen carefully. dr stands for denominator. dr stands for denominator. If I find the digital sum of the denominator, if I find the digital sum of the denominator, the digital sum can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If the denominator digital sum is 3, 6 or 9, 3, 6 or 9, digital sum cannot be used. Where it cannot be used? Why it cannot be used? If it is used, how it can be used? We will always focus on W and H related questions in life. Why, what, when, where and how. Now 3, 6 or 9. Suppose if it is A by B. If B digital sum is 1. So answer it is 1, it makes no difference. If it is 2, multiply it by 5, numerator and denominator. Please write down. If the denominator digital sum is 2, multiply the numerator and denominator by 5. I will explain it with example. If the denominator digital sum is 5, multiply it by 2. If the denominator digital sum is 4, multiply it by 7, numerator and denominator. If the denominator digital sum is 7, multiply the numerator and denominator by 4. If it is 8, multiply it by 8, numerator and denominator. Listen carefully. If it is 2, multiply it by 5, numerator and denominator. If it is 5, multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. If it is 7, multiply the numerator and denominator by 4. If it is 4, multiply the numerator and denominator by 7. If it is 8, multiply the numerator and denominator by 8. Please write down this one. These denominator digital sum. These basics students might know. I will get into the advanced level. If the denominator digital sum is, 2, multiply the numerator and denominator by 5. If the denominator digital sum is 5, multiply the numerator and denominator by 5. I hope it is clear. For 3, 6 and 9, it is not used. Why it is not used? How it can be used for other numbers? Only I am focusing on the denominator. Now see here. For example, We will start from fundamentals. I will take you to a level where you can start predicting your own questions. Find the digital sum of, for example, 19 by 14. 19 by 14. 19 by 14. 14 digital sum is 2. Multiply it with numerator and denominator. This is nothing but 38 by 10. 10, it is nothing but 1. 38 by 1. Digital sum is 3 plus 8, 11. 1 plus 1, 2. If the denominator digital sum is 5, multiply it by 2. What am I trying to tell you with this is, if A by B is equivalent to K, if A by B it is equivalent to K, you can write it as A equivalent to K into B. You can write it as A equivalent to K into B, as long as B digital sum is 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. For example, if you see here, for example, 144 by 16 equivalent to 9. 144 by 16 equivalent to 9. 16 9s are 144. So these are nothing but 16 into 9 is 144. 16 is 7. 7 9s are 63. It is 9. 144 also it is 9. 9 equivalent to 9. Digital sum it is matching. Digital sum it is matching. Listen carefully, sir. Digital sum it is matching. For example, if it is 156 by 13, it is nothing but 12. 156 by 13. So this you can write it as 156 into 1 equivalent to 13 into 12. 156. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 it is 3. 3 into 1. 13 it is 4. 12 digital sum is 3. 3 equivalent to 4 3s are 12. 12 it is nothing but 3. 3 equivalent to 3. Digital sum is matching. That means A by B equivalent to C by D. A by B equivalent to C by D. A into D equivalent to B into C. Then apply the digital sum. Apply the digital sum. A by B equivalent to C by D. Then A into D equivalent to B into C. Suppose 14 pence cost 56 rupees. 14 pence cost 56 rupees. And then 20 pence cost how much? 14 4s are 56. 20 4s are 80. So these are nothing but 14 into 80 equivalent to 20 into 56. Why? Because 14 by 20 equivalent to 56 by 80. 1 is to 4, 1 is to 4. Use a digital sum. 1 plus 4, 5. It is into 8. 2 into 5 plus 6, 11. 11 it is 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 8s are 40. 4 equivalent to 4. Digital sum it is matching. Whenever two divisions are there, cross multiply and check whether the digital sum is matching. Whenever two divisions are there, do cross multiply and check with the digital sum. Do cross multiply and check with the digital sum. I hope the idea it is clear. The digital sum, division digital sum is used when the denominator has got digital sum 1, 2, 4, 5, 7 and 8. I hope it is clear. Now no remembering of percentage and fractions. We will go. Now all are previous year examination questions. Question number 1. Question number 1. A number when increased by 22.5 percentage, immediately the students who by hearted the percentage 22.22, they will write it as 2 by 9. 22.5, how you will write it as a fraction? You will write it as 20 percentage and 22.5, right? So this is where Anil Nair's method will be useful. 22.5, this is nothing but 22.5 by 100. A number increased by, and always the denominator it is the initial value. Always the denominator it is the initial value. Numerator, it is nothing but the change. Increase means positive, decrease means negative. Increase, it is positive. Decrease, it is negative. Gone are the days where percentage to fraction equivalent values are given. 22.5. Now see here, how am I solving the question? 100 increased by 22.5. 122.5 gives 98. 122.5, it is giving 98. 100, it will give how much? Initial value is 100 only, right? Cross multiplication. These is nothing but 122.5 into question mark is 100 into 98. 5 plus 2 plus 2. Out 1 into question mark equivalent to 1 into 98, it is 8. Now apply the digital sum. 45. 1 into 45, 9. 9 equivalent to 8. 9 equivalent to 1. These 80. 1 into 80. 1 into 8, 8. 8 equivalent to 8. Out answer. I hope the idea it is clear. Such an easy question. Just by looking at the question itself, you will be able to get the answer very, very fast. I hope the idea it is clear. 122.5. A number when increased by 22.5. Each and every question, write down in your notebook. I told you again 3 points. Listen to the class of mine. Watch the class once again. Take any book of your choice and solve Anil Nair's way. You will be feeling extremely confident in the way you solve it. A number when increased by 22.5. A number when increased by 22.5. Percentage is by 100. Whenever there is a fraction, number by denominator is always the initial value. Numerator, it is always the change. There is an initial value, it seems 100. On 100, 22.5 got increased. On 100, 22.5 got increased. Right? So it becomes 122.5. 122.5 is becoming 98. 100 will become how much? 100 will become how much? Are you all with me? Anil sir, what if more than one answer option? It is giving you digital sum. 98 if it is there. If you are getting a doubt with 15 years experience, taking CAT batches close to 150, I am sure I should have got a doubt when I am writing this question. If it is 98, first of all, it cannot be 98. 122 itself is giving 98. 122 is dropping to 100. 98 value should drop. This is one case. It is not possible. Then, sir, can it be 71? 71, what is the digital sum? 8. It cannot be 71. See here, if it is 71, if it is 122, if it is 122, just think logically. If I shift dot here, it is 12 point something. 12 8s are 96. Yes or no? 12 8s are 96. It should be closer to 8 multiple. 71, it cannot be the answer. Not a single doubt you will get it in my class. If option C is right because of digital sum. If E is incorrect, why? Because if 122.5 is decreasing to 100, 98 cannot be same. 71, it is not possible. 120, if I take one dot and if I do some divided by 10 and everything or multiply by 10, 12 8s are 96. Answer should be very close to 8 times. If I shift it here, 12.25. If I shift it here, 10.0. 12 8s are 96. 10 answer should be close to 80. I hope it is clear. The reason why I gave this question is, stop mugging these percentage and think that the method that you are using is the only method that is available in percentages. Please give me a break and come out of these traditional way of solving the question. I hope it is clear. If it is clear to you, kindly click on the like button. Do not miss any single problem. Any single problem, don't miss it. Now see here, election. Anyway, I will discuss for our enrolled students 12 to 16 hours only on percentages we will discuss. You know that very well that if I start a topic, I will go very 100 feet down into it. In an election, there are two candidates, candidate 1 and candidate 2. One of the candidate secured 40% votes. So remaining candidate 2 secures definitely 60%. The candidate 2 defeated the candidate 1 by 290. It is 20%. It is 298. One way it is 100%. How much? I am not interested in this because you already know this approach. 20% increase. It is 120 is giving you 298. 100 will give you how much? Apply digital sum. See here, listen carefully. 9 is out. 2 plus 8, 10. 1. It is also 1. 1 ones are 1. 1 plus 2, it is 3. 3 into. These are simple values. The percentage can be complicated. I hope it is clear. 3 into. 7 plus 5 plus 4, 9. 3 sevens are 21. 2 plus 1, 3. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 it is 2. 2 threes are 6. 9 it is 9 it is 9 it is out. 2 plus 8 it is 20, right? It is difference is 298. So these are nothing but 1 minute, sir. Don't do this kind of silly mistake. Read the question. Candidate 1 40%, candidate 2 difference in the votes it is given 20%, it is 298. So 20 it is giving you 298. 100 it will give you how much? Instead of 40, 60 it can be complicated values. Sometimes the difference could be given, sometimes candidate 2 will be given, various varieties will be given. These out 2 plus 8, 10. 1 into 1, 1. These digital sum is 2 into 7, 5 plus 5, 4, 9. 2 7s are 14. 1 plus 4, 5. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 it is 2. 2 2s are 4. 9 it is out. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 1 equivalent to 1. These 40 and 60 is an easy value. What if in the question he gives it as 17% and 68.8%? In that case it will be 51.8%. Don't you think it will be complicated for you? So then what you have to do is 15.5 it is X. 100 it is how much? Use digital sum. I hope you got the idea. Digital sum. If the ratios are equal, cross multiply and do it. Cross multiply and do it. Otherwise, if more than one answer option has got the same digital sum, 1940. Digital sum is again 5. 2 15s are 300, just less than 15. 100 15s are 1500. Answer should be just less than 1500. 1490 it is right. The more and more examples you will solve, the more and more clarity you will get. When to use digital sum, when not to use digital sum, when can I go by the answer option elimination. At the end of percentages, session 4 or session 5, by solving 100 problems with me, you will get a perfect understanding. I hope the idea it is clear. Now, this looks like a very easy question. Probably in your textbooks, you have never seen the usage of digital sum in time and work problems. How to use digital sum in time and work problem. Today's class, I will just give a glimpse of it. The comprehensively, I will discuss for the enrolled students. P, Q and R are employed to do a work for 5750. So P plus Q plus R, their salary is 5750. Okay. P and Q together finished 19 by 23 out of work. Out of 23 units of work, P and Q completed only 19 units. Q plus R, out of 23 units, they did 8 units together. I hope it is clear. So if I do P plus R plus 2Q, it is nothing but 27 by 23. Are you all with me? These are nothing but P plus Q plus R plus Q equivalent to 27 by 23. Out of actually 23 units of work, P, Q and R, total work is done by P, Q and R. Numerator it is 27. So Q it is 4 units. Q it is 4 units. Finish. 23 units. All three together will get the salary 5750. For Q only 4 units. How much will be the answer? 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 it is 8. 8 4s are 32. 5 equivalent to 2 plus 3 it is 5. 5 into 2 plus 8 10. 10 plus 5 15. 15 it is 6. 6 5s are 30. Not possible. 3 plus 7 10. 10 plus 5 15. 6 it is not possible. Now if it you see here 1000, digital sum is 1. 1 5s are 5. Digital sum is the most universal concept. If the answer options are accurate, these digit sum can be used. People who do not have a great understanding of digital sum will tell that sometimes it cannot be used. They are the people who does not have an understanding of digit sum. If you go to Wikipedia and type digit sum, you will find an universal application. Digit sum. Digit sum. I hope the idea it is clear. Again I am explaining. Most of the time and work problems I will solve it using digit sum. Time, speed and distance I will solve it using digital sum. Averages, mixture I will solve it using digital sum. Arithmetic, wherever the numerical values are there, I will make use of digit sum. There are three people, P, Q and R. Because these three people are working, they will get 5750 rupees, out of which P and Q, they will do 19 by 23rd of a work. I told you that denominator it is always the initial value. That means total units they work together it is 23. P and Q will do 19. Q and R will do 8. If I add this, P plus R plus 2Q, it is 27 by 23. This can be written as P plus Q plus R plus Q. Out of 23 units, I got 27. That means Q will do 4 units. If they work 23 units, they will get the salary 5750. To do 4 units, how much? Again cross multiplication digital sum. Again cross multiplication digital sum. Idea it is clear, right? Suppose if more than one answer option digital sum it is there. Now see here. 4000. One smart student might ask me, might think that this logic will not work all the time. It will work all the time. You got a doubt, please WhatsApp me. I will erase your innocence and ignorance. Right? 8, suppose if it is 2710. 2710. It cannot be 2710. Why? Because if it is 24, 24 by 4, it is by 6. 5700 by 6, it is closer to 1000. It cannot be 2710. Digital sum should be coupled with simplification concepts or the divisibility rule concepts. In case if you are struck with more than one answer option, definitely in your examination there will be answer options with more than one digital sum. If you are struck, check the question. 23 units is becoming 4. If 23 it is 4. 24 by 6 is 4. 5600 divided by 6. Answer is closer to 1000. In that way you can eliminate it. Struck with more than one answer option, make use of digital sum.